I'm gonna make a quick video of what I got for Christmas. Okay, so Marisol, Samantha, Molly, Krissa, Nikki, and Rebecca. She was my Christmas present. She's so pretty. Okay, so I got some American Girl stuff. And then, so non-American Girl stuff, I got the Taylor Swift CD, an old one, iPod speakers, a lava lamp, and yeah, okay, that's my phone. Okay, then American Girl stuff, I got Molly's glasses, and then I got 2 outfits, and then I don't have Rebecca's box with me right now. Okay, I got the coconut pajamas, and then this is how they look. Okay, the shirt, the little pants thingamabobbies, the charm, and then I'll open that later. The slippers and little hair ties. And then I also got the campus casual outfit, and then the sneakers, the charm, the shirt, and the pants. And then my sister got a new doll. She got Julie. She got the special edition Felicity doll. She got the Inner Star U outfit. She got the Honey Puppy PJs. And she got the Bitty Twins sleeper. And I think that's about it. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, and I also got a hair pick earlier this week. Bye. Oh, she got a hairbrush too.